What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for our July company, French City Beard Co. So check this box out. This is what our package came in. They've got the French City Beard Co. tape here. And yeah, let's dive in and see what we got. I'm gonna be using the Gerber flat iron cleaver blade to get into this box and see what we're gonna be using for the month of July. So let us see what we have in here. We'll keep that handy. All right, let's go ahead and we got some stuff on top here. I was wondering what that rattling was. So we got a pin. We have 2 stickers, so shaving isn't an option. And French City Beard Company. Pretty cool designs on those stickers. Let's get these set to the side. All right, so now let's see what we have in here. It's all packaged up with some good bubble wrap, that big stuff. All right, let's get it all out. So what it looks like we have is 2 balms and 2 oils. So we have Sweet Dreams in oil and Feeling Fancy. And we've got the same 2 in balm. So we've got small, what are these? 1 ounce balms with screw top lids. So let's get that open. What is this one? Sweet Dreams. Ooh, that smells good. See that? Get a hint of almost like a cinnamon maybe. And let's see, Feeling Fancy. That smells really good. I can't tell what that is. It smells really good. So these did got a little bit hot in transport and they melted just a tad. So here's our label on the oil. Same way on the balm here, it's written in. I don't have a problem with that. I like that. I like that touch. And here's why. Because as a consumer, it gives the company a way to save a little bit of money and help in order to help get the cost down for the consumer. So I don't mind having it written in. It looks fine to me and I'm fine with it. So which one is this one? Feeling Fancy. So because this is written in, we don't have anything about the scent profile on the label. Oh my God, what is that? I'm gonna have to look this up and I'll have to get back with you on that because it smells absolutely amazing. Sweet Dreams. Could this be a nighttime scent? Oh, it smells really good, but I cannot put my finger on what it is. They smell really good. So that's what we have, 2 combinations. Feeling Fancy and Sweet Dreams in oil and balm. So we're gonna be checking these out and coming back with some updates for you guys. Get over, check out French City Beard Co. I'll have a link in the description below. You can get over and check it out. And yeah, that's all we got today. Unboxing. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.